Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallow jelly. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of crushed fruit, 7 cups of sugar, and 1 cup of miniature marshmallows. Don't forget 1 pouch of liquid pectin, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1/2 teaspoon of butter. Also, prepare your canning jars and lids by sterilizing them thoroughly. Next, combine your 4 cups of crushed fruit, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and 1/2 teaspoon of butter in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Bring this mixture to a full, rolling boil over high heat, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. Once boiling vigorously, quickly stir in the 7 cups of sugar until it is completely dissolved. This step is crucial for proper gelling. Now, add the liquid pectin to your boiling fruit mixture. Stir it in thoroughly and bring the jelly back to a full, rolling boil for exactly 1 minute. After 1 minute, remove the pot from the heat. Immediately stir in the 1 cup of miniature marshmallows until they are completely melted and incorporated, creating a unique texture. Skim off any foam that forms on the surface. Finally, carefully ladle the hot marshmallow jelly into your sterilized jars, leaving about 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims clean, apply the lids, and screw on the bands until fingertip tight. Process the jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. Remove, cool, and check for proper seals. Enjoy your homemade marshmallow jelly on toast or biscuits.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.